Well, how to look and feel great video series. In this video, I will be sharing about herbal skincare. Skincare is not a topic of recent times. It has been in practice since ancient times, when herbal skincare was probably the only way to take care of skin. However, skincare has transformed in a big way. Herbal skincare routines have been replaced by synthetic or chemical-based skincare routines. The skincare recipes, which once used to be commonplace, are not so popular today, and even unknown to a large population. This transformation from herbal skincare to synthetic can probably be attributed to three things: our laziness, fast pace of lives, and the commercialization of skincare. Even skincare products have been commercialized. These commercial herbal skincare products need to be mixed with preservatives in order to increase their shelf life, hence making them less effective than the fresh ones made at home. However, it seems that things are changing fast, and more people are now opting for natural and herbal skincare routines. But still, none want to make them at home, and hence the commercial market of herbal skincare products is on the rise. So, these herbs or herbal skincare mechanisms. Aloe, which is an extract from aloe plant, is one of the best examples of herbal skincare product. Freshly extracted aloe vera is a natural hydrant that helps in soothing skin. It helps in healing cuts and treating sunburns. A number of herbs are known to possess cleansing properties. Chamomile, lime flowers, and rosemary herbs are a few examples of such cleansers. Their herbal skin care properties get invoked when they are combined with other herbs like tea. Antioxidants are another important part of herbal skincare. Marigold, thyme, and fennel are good examples of herbs that are known to possess antiseptic properties. Water and rose water also form good toners. Tea plays an important part in herbal skincare. Tea extracts are used for treatment of skin that has been damaged by UV radiation. Oils prepared from herbal extracts present another means of herbal skincare. For details, you may read my full blog post at the following link. At the time, you can check out our blog for more health advice and info at www.howtolookandfeelgreat.com. Also to click like, subscribe, and bell notifications for future updates. Thank you for watching this video.